I have a song for you that is so much a part of our American DNA that it's staggering. It started off as a fife tune like drum and fife during the Revolutionary War. It probably came from England, and then it was inherited by the people who worked on the Mississippi River, when the Mississippi River was the primary way for transporting goods before the railroads. And many famous people who worked and got their start on the Mississippi River, such as Abraham Lincoln and a young man named Samuel Clemens, who went on to write a book using the name of this song, sort of, in one of the titles of his books and the names of his characters. The name of the song is called Mississippi Sawyer. Sawyer, in riverboat terms, is an obstacle or a snag in the river that you need to be careful of. So all the riverboat captains, which Samuel Clemens was, knew about the sawyers in the Mississippi River. Abraham Lincoln, as a barge worker on the flatboats on the Mississippi River, knew about every sawyer. So I'm going to play for you Mississippi Sawyer.